Now to the other late breaking news. The stunner in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The final moments of the Crystal Rogers murder trial takes a mind-boggling twist. The defense for Brooks Houck was resting its case when an unbelievable detail was revealed for the very first time.
Yeah, with the last day of testimony, the defense unveiled a shocking detail on the 2021 FBI search. We were there in August, nearly 4 years ago. This video shows agents digging up the concrete driveway and sidewalk in a new construction subdivision overseen by Brooks Houck.
Well, today the defense's own police expert, a respected former Metro Police homicide detective, revealed that women's clothing and underwear were found under a sidewalk and driveway at that home that Brooks Houck was building. Back in 2021, we learned that this was the only FBI search over the decade that yielded any items of interest. It was also said in court today that Crystal's DNA was not found on any of these items we're talking about, but still, it is now in the minds of the jury. This all coming at the 10-year mark, right to the date. Today's the 3rd of July, when Crystal was last seen alive and the last full day of testimony in this trial.
Shay McAlister, the Warren County Courthouse. The defense has rested the case now, Shay. So who did they have on the stand for their final witness today?
Well, you guys just talked about him a little bit. His name's Denver Butler. He is a respected LMPD former detective, and he has a lot of experience with looking over police investigations. He specifically follows a lot of these cases where he's asked to review them and ask how police did on their investigation. He looked at all of the searches at the Houck family farm, and in each one of those, he said that there was no trace of Crystal found, none of her personal belongings, none of her DNA, no sign of her at all. He also looked at different searches of family members' cars, including Houck's car, Nick's police cruiser, and a Whiteside's car, and said in all of those there was no sign of Crystal.
Questions over the last few weeks. It's been quite the scene to see them asking the detailed questions. What did they ask today?
They've had some fantastic questions over the last several weeks, and today was no different, Doug and Connie. Today they specifically wanted that police expert to talk about how the elements can affect DNA. They asked about fire, snow, rain, and time. He had different answers for each, ultimately saying that the DNA is one of the most powerful forms of evidence and that likely it would still be there if it ever was there. But one juror did push for a little bit more information and specifically wanted to know how time, if it would disintegrate over time. Is it possible that there would be no DNA left when they went and did these searches 5, 8 years later? And he said, yes, that would be possible.
And Shay, with tomorrow being a holiday, any updates on the timing of the trial?
Yes, so here's what we know about the timing of the trial right now. They're off tomorrow. We know that on Monday they're going to be coming back at 9 a.m. for closing arguments. The defense will go first. They have indicated it will take them through lunch. Then the Commonwealth will do their closings after lunch, and this jury will be deliberating on Tuesday morning. Doug and Connie?
Shay, thank you so much. So we've got a lot to talk about even later tonight as we're now heading into the long holiday weekend. I invite you to join me tonight at 9 on the WHAS 11 Plus app. I'm joined along with Shay, Alexandra Goldberg, and WHAS 11 legal analyst, Louisville attorney Nick Mudd, as we bring you a 30-minute deep dive look into today's stunning events. To watch it, download the free WHAS 11 Plus app on your TV and watch for free again tonight at 9.